today we look and discuss about jigsaw map of the continent and model animals exercise. This is the map, this is the jigsaw map of the world and these are model animals. Watch me carefully, we will have your work tell later. Mary, which continent is this? Yes, this is Asia. Do you know most commonly seen animal there? Yes, elephant, tiger and lion. Which continent is this? This is Europe. Do you know most commonly seen animals there? Lion and horse. Which continent is this? This is Africa. Do you know most commonly seen animals there? Yes, camel, giraffe and zebra. Here you can see camel. Which continent is this? This is North America. North America is famous for bear. There is no bear and also horse. So, which continent is this? This is South America. South America is famous for cow. Mary, which continent is this? This is Australia. Australia is famous for sheep, kangaroo and peacock. Mary, which continent is this? This is Antarctica. Antarctica is famous for penguin, polar bear, etc. There is no penguin and polar bear. Mary, today we looked at, discussed about jigsaw map of the continent and model animals exercise. Feel free to work with the material whenever you want. Shall we get back to me?